I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by searching the app name in Start. This is the quickest entry point. Once visible, you right-click the app, choose More, then Open File Location. That takes you to the shortcut. If the shortcut appears instead of the executable, right-click the shortcut, select Properties, then click Open File Location to jump to the program folder. You do this to confirm the executable path and see associated files for troubleshooting or making a shortcut. Next, open Task Manager with Ctrl+Shift+S and go to the Details tab to find running processes. This reveals the actual process name. Once you locate the correct process, right-click it and choose Open File Location to open the executables folder directly. For Microsoft Store, Apps, open PowerShell and run getapps package name partial name to list install locations. This helps because Store apps often live. Finally, once you have the folder open, copy the full path from File Explorer to create shortcuts, pin the executable, or reference it in other tools. Make sure to run File Explorer as administrator if you need to browse protected system folders. If Open File Location is disabled or the app is a UWP package, use PowerShell getapps package to find the install folder, or take ownership of /program files /Windows apps cautiously. That's the key troubleshooting move when Windows hides the files.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.